Hey beginners! Today, I'll show you how to use Google Drive to store and share your files. Super easy. First, open your web browser. That's usually Chrome, Firefox, any browser, and type drive.google.com and log in with your Gmail. Enter your Gmail and click on Next. Now enter your password and click on Next. Click on New, then File Upload. Pick any file from your computer. It'll save here in seconds. If you want to share this file to someone, you can simply right-click, choose Share, type an email, or copy this link to send it anywhere. Now, let's see how to create a new folder. Click on New, make a folder, name it, like Photos or something you like, and drag your files into this to stay organized. And that's it. Now you can use Google Drive like a pro. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more beginner tips, and comment what you want next.